Follow me. You are missing.
Try it.
See your belly. Yes, our shopping auntie. Birthday shopping on the go. Let's go there. Yo, what did you carry? What did you
We took a balloon pump and then some candles, and we get some other things from Dollar Tree as well. You know, we're trying to have a blast, like a 1 year, a 1 year to remember birthday. That when Jeffy's older, he'll look and be like, "Oh, that was my."
say, Auntie Joy, my birthday planner. Auntie Joy be doing things for you. April babies. Excitement, exactly.
1 bag.
2 bags.
Follow me. You are missing. Oh, this is like a.
That's the talk. Who is sending you now? Where are you going? Blower. Our caterer has arrived though. He's now doing face.
Happy birthday to Jesse. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to Jesse. Happy birthday to Jesse.
Our cake has arrived. I just arrived. Oh, it's beautiful. Oh, it came with the palette. Like
No,
a
they
free
asked me
gift.
if I wanted on the game, but it's free.
Oh, this is lovely. Jesse is one. See your cake. Are you excited about your cake? You are here crying. Look at you. Chicken made the sauce for the jollof rice. It was just basically rice, plantain, salad, Nigerian kind of salad. Oh. Not salad, salad. With jollof rice and drinks, people came. So, I mean, just watch and have fun. I'll put on the music at this point. Enjoy. Birthday boy is getting ready for photo shoots. Jess.
Photo shoot with the professional photographer. Tom.
James Lala.
Jesse. Jesse.
Jesse is a good boy. No, be you be celebrant now. You dey tire. That thing they make and laugh usually. Yeah, let all of us.
Let's have fish.
Look at our jollof. It's not jollof, it's jollof. It's giving. It's giving birthday. It's giving vibes. It's giving. See the color now. It's giving me. Giving. Look at our salad, our fried chicken, some juicy peppered fish, some plantains, and our cake is somewhere there. Look at our beautiful decor. You know, it's giving content creator.
Yeah, man.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Jesse. Happy birthday to you. Beep, beep, beep. Hooray!
Okay, we're going to cut the cake by spelling
Jesse.
one. Abi Jesse.
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 Okay, give me a J.
J.